Hello creative people and welcome back to my channel. For today's video we're gonna try to create Prada inspired mini bag. So I know a lot of you have requested this video and that's why I decided to show you how to do it. I hope you enjoyed this video and let's get started. For the material you will need a ruler or a measuring band, some pins, pen or a crayon, this metallic chain, a zipper and a glue. You will also need matching thread, a pin I got from Etsy, scissors, these two like loops, metallic loops, your fabric and the paper. And let's start. The first step is to create a rectangle that's 25 centimeters long and about 15 centimeters high, and then I just created those like kind of roundish shape on the edges, and this is the top where I will be placing the zipper. For the second step, I took a measuring band and I started measuring from the top all the way to the other side. This is just because we need that little extra piece in between or in the middle of the bag. So I decided to create a straight line, and this is going to be about 8 centimeters thick. Then this is more optional. I decided to create this rectangle shape about 40 centimeters, and then you see here I just folded like that just to see how thick I want. This is the part where you're going to hold your bag on, so this can actually be your own measurements. Finally, the fun begins. So the first step, as always, is to place your pattern on the fabric and measure 1 centimeter for the sewing and cut out all of the pieces. I'm going to start with the middle piece and I'm going to fold this edge just 1 centimeter. You can sew it, but I decided to glue. We're gonna do exactly the same thing for the inner lining. You're going to take the sides and connect them together with the middle piece. Ta-da! This is how it's supposed to look. You're going to do exactly the same thing for the inner lining as well. And then you're going to place the inner lining inside the bag and attach the zipper. And then you're going to sew the hand holder, I think it's called. You can see here I just folded each side 1 centimeter and together 1, and then sew 2 straight lines with your sewing machine. But we have to have something to connect this hand holder with, so as you can see here, that's why I'm using these tiny metallic loops and I'm gluing them together, and then I will be attaching the hand holder. There are 2 steps left. The first one is to attach this Prada logo, and the second one is to attach, if you want, this silver chain. You don't have to. And this is it, the most iconic bag of 2020 and I think 2021. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it helpful and useful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like always, if you have any other suggestions or what kind of videos you would like to see on my channel, please comment below or contact me on my social media. All of my links are listed in my description box below. See you till next time. Hej då!